Man, what a day. Sorry, man. So I'm still getting ready, man. Now you're here. Oh, I gotta. Okay. Still getting set up, buddy. All right, let's go. All right, so we're here, and we've got one tornado warning going right now. Looks like it's just radar indicated. Um, yeah, radar indicated for another 20 minutes there near Jefferson or over Jefferson City. Big old tornado watch area here. Um, Hold on, let me go back to Facebook and notify everybody. All right, yeah, this is a big old enhanced risk area for, well, where they issued this tornado warning or watch here. See, there's a meso discussion out. It was for that. Okay, so we'll go. Mace, you seen anything interesting on here, man? Besides maybe that tornado warning? That's really the only thing I'm seeing, and that's just radar indicated. It's let's check out this tornado warning here. Or, yeah, tornado warning. Oh, I clicked on the wrong thing. Yeah, if you could bring all that stuff out here. I know you're listening from a different location, but I know you're listening. Just go ahead and bring all that stuff out here. Not the pot, the coffee pot, just the coffee, the sugar, the creamer. Hmm. Well, let's check the velocity scan, see what it's looking like. Well, yeah, doesn't look like too much is going on right now with that. I would still say stay in your safe place if you're in that area, though. just in case it does spin something up. It looks like it's trying to, but well, let's see what this scan looks like. Yeah, a little bit of something, but maybe a little hook echo. But I'm not really seeing too much on that. But I do want to go over, however, this tornado watch area. This is for a large area, western central Arkansas, southeast Kansas, northwestern Louisiana, central southern Missouri, eastern Oklahoma, and northern Texas until 7 p.m. Central Time. The probability of an overall threat, 90%, which is very, very high. 50% for an EF2 to EF5 risk, so 50% for a large tornado, 60% wind threat, 40% hail threat. However, the hail risk for large 2-inch in diameter or larger hail is only 10%. So that's kind of a good thing. This doesn't look like it's going to be a hail storm too much, but things could change with this. And I will be right back. I'm going to fill my coffee cup. Yeah, everything, nothing. I think it's just me and you in here. I hope so. If other people don't join, we probably will hop off here, bud, because if there's only going to be me, you, and one other person, it's kind of pointless, But I guess we'll wait and see what happens with that. But for right now, tornado warning still in effect. Still radar indicated for another 21 minutes. Hold on. Whatever you want to do. Yeah. Whatever you want to do. It's fine with me. And it looks like I lost my little helper too. My first moderator. All right. I guess we'll just stay on this then. I guess tornado warnings for another 18 minutes. Still radar indicated. Moving towards Jefferson City, Holt Summit, New Bloomfield. If you're in the path of this storm, get to your storm shelter or safe spot now. Also, we'll be in Fulton here pretty soon. So it doesn't really look like this is doing too much, though. It looks like it'll just stay radar indicated. More than likely, they'll let it expire. I wasn't really seeing too much last time I checked the velocities. So I'm not really seeing too much going on here. Large tornado watch area, but Nothing really popping off at the moment. But I do expect things to change. This does have a tornado possible tag on it for another 14 minutes, 60-mile-an-hour winds down here. Let's see. Southwestern Delaware, southeastern Mays, and north central Cherokee County. As of 108, a severe thunderstorm is located 3 miles northeast of Peggs, moving north at 55 miles an hour, 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts. So if you're in that area, let's go check that out real quick. Yes, it's this little discrete supercell right here. Moving this way. At 55 miles an hour, that's a fast moving storm. That'll be, looks like it'll be into, I think it could be heading towards Joplin, Missouri there here pretty soon. So let's go back up here and keep an eye on this tornado warning cell up here in Jefferson City. And it's actually moving out of Jefferson City up 63, it looks like there. If that's right. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, it's moving up 63, heading towards 70. So if you're in that area, New Bloomfield, Pierpont. Well, I could miss Pierpont actually, or Pierpont. But yeah, if you're in Holt Summit, New Bloomfield, just expect storms here shortly. Actually, it looks like it could be already over your area there. So let's see. New mesa discussions here. Only mesa discussion out right now is the one that was for this tornado watch in this area here, this large area. So but I will stick around for a while and see what is going on. And if nothing really happens, then I'll probably end the stream. It would be crazy if they made all these predictions and it turned out to be a bust today. I have seen it happen. So, seen it happen a lot. In fact, the last 2 nights they They said it was going to be big, and I mean, it was for a little while, and then wasn't. So, I guess we'll just have to wait and see what happens here. Hmm. It looks like now they have canceled that tornado warning, and actually looks like they canceled all of the severe thunderstorm warning too. So yes, they have. Right now we have the tornado watch and two flood warnings out. I believe those are flood warnings. Let's see. Yeah, flash flood warnings. That's the only thing we have going as of right now. Hmm. This still is an enhanced risk area, though. This is the area we're going to be watching for the day. So, stay tuned. Guess we'll see what happens, huh? Hmm. Does kind of look like these storms may be weakening a little. Let's see. The tail down here isn't as um, pronounced as it was a little while ago. But the probability in this area here is still high, in this pink area, still very high. So I guess we'll just see. Sorry, Sorry, everyone. I'm looking at the meta discussions and doing some reading while we have a little bit of downtime here. So, hmm. Yeah, I think what happened was I went on too early because now it doesn't look like it may start developing until later. And we got a severe thunderstorm warning now. This one is near Joplin, Missouri for an hour and 1 minute. National Weather Service in Springfield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Cherokee County in southeastern Kansas, Crawford County, southeastern Kansas. This is until 2:30 Central Daylight Time. Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending near from Altamont near Welsh to Langley, moving northeast 30 miles an hour. Right now, the only hazards are 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts, penny-sized hail, but anything can change because this is in the tornado watch area. And again, this is a high chance for tornadoes today. The locations include Baxter Springs, Franklin, Neutral, Frontenac, Melrose, Beulah, Girard, Pittsburgh, Coburg, Riverton, Yale, Carona, West Mineral, Farmington, Hollowell, Galena, Brazilton, Macomb, Sherwin, and Sherman. So if you're in these areas, have your mobile device or some sort of device handy so you can receive any further weather alerts and just stay weather aware for this. Right now, it doesn't really look like it's going to be too much. This is a nice looking storm, though. And what's rolling up from Miami into Pittsburgh here near Joplin definitely looks like that's a strong line of storms here. So just stay weather aware on this, and we'll watch it in case anything else happens. Oh, looks like now we have a tornado warning issued. I did not get the notification for that, but let's go check it out. It's in Missouri. That's up here near New Bloomfield and Fulton. This little discrete supercell here. Radar indicated no hail. This tornado warning is for northwestern Callaway County in central Missouri until 2:15 Central Time. Severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado is located over New Bloomfield, 6 miles north of Holtz and Summit, Holtz Summit. I'm not sure. Moving northeast 40 miles an hour. This is just radar indicator rotation, but we're going to go ahead and check this one out. Possible hook on it. Let's check the velocities. It could be trying to spin something up down here, just north and east of New Bloomfield. Looks like it's going parallel to State Route 54 there, going into Fulton. That could be trying to drop something there, and may drop something here really soon. So we'll keep an eye on this guy here. But yeah, again, tornado warning in effect north of New Bloomfield near Fulton, heading towards State Route 70 and Oxvasi. If I'm saying that wrong, I apologize. But there definitely is. It is definitely trying to do something here. Hmm. So this will be the second tornado warning of the day. And this one looks like it may have more potential than the last tornado warning. And this did come from another tornado warning just a little while ago. So It was, in fact, recycling and trying to spin up something else here. Hmm. While I'm thinking about it, I want to check something as well. All right. So this looks like a very rural area, not even 20,000 people, but it'll be heading toward Boydsville in 2 minutes, Earl in 14 minutes, Eastville in 18 minutes, Kingdom City 22 minutes, Hatton 24 minutes, um, Bachelor 35 minutes, Mexico 43 minutes, and Vandiver 44 minutes, Benton City 45 minutes. But this again does look like a very rural area, so that's a good thing. Let's check out these severe thunderstorm warnings here. One in Ottawa and Craig, Oklahoma. One in Crawford and Cherokee, Kansas. All right, let's start with the Oklahoma storm here. Down here near Miami, Oklahoma. And it looks like that could be something, as it is taking in an inflow notch back there. Um, Something worth keeping an eye on there. And let's check the severe thunderstorm warning in Kansas here. Looks like it's not far, just north of it. That one doesn't. That one doesn't look too concerning. This one down here near Miami looks actually more concerning than that one up there. And I will be keeping an eye on it, but I feel like this. Oh, that tornado warning now is observed. We have a confirmed tornado on the ground up here near Fulton, Oxvase, very close to Interstate 70 here. If you're in this area, get to your safe spot now. Lowest floor possible, or if you don't have that, get into a bathtub and pull a mattress over you. Try to put as many walls in between you and the storm as you can. This is an observed tornado now. I'm going to go check that out. And I guess my radar froze up on me. Just a second. My darn radar's acting up again. I'm still keeping an eye on it. It's just I'm trying to figure out where exactly this tornado could be right now. Hmm. There was to be a tornado on the ground, which they've already observed it. It would be right, more than likely, right in this. And this could be another rain wrapped tornado, so don't go out and try to see it if you are in that area. More than likely, that tornado is right here. In fact, I wouldn't be surprised if that is still observed, and it is. Wouldn't be surprised if they extend that tornado warning area. So we got another tornado warning down here. An extension of this storm. Radar indicated rotation, so that's why they issued it. I think I'm gonna go ahead and end stream. Nobody's stopping in. This is while there is crazy stuff going on. There's no point if nobody's here. Be back in a minute. Okay, everyone. I think I'm going to go ahead and end this live stream. Um, thank you all so much for your support. I will not be doing any more live streams, any more forecasts here on YouTube. It's been fun, but it doesn't always seem like it's getting out there. So I'm going to end it. Thank you, though, for everybody's support, and I appreciate it.